In the world of online shopping, we've grown used to waiting. Days, sometimes weeks, for our products to arrive at your doorstep. But what if we could bring the future of shopping to our homes? Introducing the Smart Store. A revolutionary invention that blends the convenience of online commerce with the immediacy of in-person shopping. Utilizing advanced AI and extrusion technologies, the Smart Store uses organic and inorganic fibers to print almost any physical product, right from your living room. From kitchen appliances to car parts, the possibilities are truly endless.
Simply choose your product image, and the Smart Store intelligently analyzes it, determines the required materials, and controls the extrusion process for precision printing. It can even adjust the dyes used during the printing process, enabling it to recreate a wide array of colors and finishes. Gone are the days of waiting for your online purchases to arrive. With Smart Store, your desired products are just a print away. But the Smart Store is more than a convenience. It's a game changer for remote regions, homes, car shops, and factories. It opens up new avenues for commerce and communication, allowing products to be created on demand, anywhere, anytime. Imagine the potential. With Smart Store, you're not just shopping, you're creating. Users across the globe are already embracing the revolution that the Smart Store brings. Toys, tools, furniture, fashion. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. The Smart Store, redefining shopping and bringing the future to your doorstep. Join the revolution today. Visit our website to learn more.